All right, what up, Blockchain Nation? So today I want to talk about unstoppable domains. I did a video previously about ENS, which is the Ethereum naming service. What ENS allows you to do is for you to take IP addresses, or like current. Let me start by saying for current DNS service, which is domain name services, is that you can route an IP address to some .com domain. But for ENS, you're not routing an IP address to a .com or .gov or whatever it is. You are wrapping or routing an Ethereum or a crypto address or a smart contract address, and tying that to a domain name, which is very, very powerful, a powerful concept. So I did a video previously. I'll just put a link below, up here somewhere, about the ENS, which is the Ethereum naming service, which, as you can see, you can use ETH and then you can buy and register a domain name which will be tied to a wallet address or to a smart contract. But today I want to talk about unstoppable domains, which is kind of similar. I like this too. I like unstoppable domains. So far they have a 350 million browser installs, 1.4 million domains registered. What about ENS? How many domains do they have registered? Does it say? Does it say? Does it say? Does it say? I don't think so. I'm sure it has. Yeah, 374,000 names. So as you can see, unstoppable domains seems to have, at the time I'm recording this, more domains registered. So you can have a .crypto, .coin, .wallet. So what this means in plain English is, supposing, let me go to twitter.com. I've used this as an example before, and let me see if I can find anybody that has an address that is titled, where can I find, search Twitter for a .eth. Here we go. So Vitalik.eth. So let's say I want to send crypto. But okay, I'm logged in, which is good. So let's say I want to send crypto to somebody, and I want to send crypto to, so this is to send, and let me just say to receive. So someone like myself, if I want to receive cryptocurrencies, I have to provide the address for my Bitcoin. As you can see, for my Bitcoin, this has this long address, and this is for Bitcoin or for Ethereum, so it's hard to remember. Unless I want to send Bitcoin to somebody, let's I want to send Bitcoin, or instead I want to send Ethereum. Where do I have my Ethereum? ETH. And I want to say I don't have any Ethereum, which is fine. But just to show you the example, if I want to send Ethereum to Vitalik.eth, is it because I don't have Bitcoin? You see, it reroutes to, this is his smart contract address, which is great. So if I want to send some Ethereum to Vitalik, all I have to do is specify Vitalik.eth, and I can send him crypto ETH, which is powerful, as opposed to remembering this long address, which doesn't make any kind of sense. Anyways, so that's where unstoppable domains comes in. All right, so for unstoppable domains, it's the same concept. I can have a .crypto, .wallet, .bitcoin, .nft, and .blockchain. And the great thing about this is it has some very good documentation. It shows you want to learn more about your unstoppable domains. You want to add unstoppable domains to your app and send them with your crypto, which has some very good documentation that you can review. And going back to their portal, so it's simple. Let's say I want to buy a domain. I want to buy the bad, CRIPTO, the bad crypto guy, and I want to buy this domain. I can buy a .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, and this is how much it costs. The great thing about this is, like, the bad guy crypto is available. So the bad guy crypto.x or .crypto, .coin, I can buy this domain. And the good thing about this is all domain purchases at one time. I don't have to keep on paying renewal fees, which is great, because for DNS, like if I use Amazon's Route 53 and I buy a DNS is different. It's a what that is tying an IP address somewhere to a domain name. You have to renew those every single year, and that can be very irritating or annoying. In this case, it's just a one-time domain, which is what I like about that. And also, if you want to see out applications that are integrated, you can integrate your Coinbase wallet, blockchain account, Chainlink, and a whole bunch of other as well. And lastly, if I want to build out a website, they have some very nice templates that you can pick, like this: ambitious, gentle. I can come here and I can claim a domain, find the domain. So in this case, if I want to use this template, I have to find the domain. Or if I want to, I can just simply, where is that? Oh, Remy. Where is that? I can just find a template by saying, what was this template? Okay, let me show you. What is this? What's the base centralized? Yeah, so here, if I want a template, I can either come to their website and pick out the templates from here, or I can just simply go to their documentation where it says template. I click here, and I can pick any of the templates here. For instance, if I pick this ambitious, it takes me to GitHub. What I'll just do is I will just simply fork this repository under my name. Once I fork this, then I have it in my GitHub account. As you can see, decentralized websites. If this doesn't take too long, there we go. So I can just pretty much pick up any of these just by cloning this to my local machine. So here we have templates, as you can see, community, unstoppable domains, and here we go, ambitious, which is pretty much the same. So we have different templates. We have ambitious, we have gentle, we have outstanding. And so if I just go to my GitHub, I can pick up this one or any one that I want, and I can just push it to my local machine. What that just means is, in English, is I can just simply take this and clone it onto my machine. So if I want to do this, I'll just go here. Where do I want to put this? Where do I want to put this? Where do I want to put this? Let me just make a directory and call it unstoppable dum. So I'll just say git clone, and I just call this unstoppable. Here we go, and it clones it directly to my machine. And then once it does that, and where is this? It is in domain code. I can just check what that is if I just go. So this is the templates right here. And as you can see, console domains, ambitious. This is the templates. This is the index.html. And if I just come here, and then I just say, well, open with live server. Just have an idea what that looks like. And it's opening somewhere sometime. So this is my unstoppable.html template. And so you can make all the changes that you want using this template and yada yada yada. So back to our unstoppable domains. I like the fact that you have your own templates you can play around with. And that's pretty much it. You can join the Discord, and yeah, so I like it. And also I think they also have a YouTube channel where you can get more information about them, building decentralized web, some other browsers, Firefox and Chrome. So I like this. I think it's cool. I like ENS. I like ENS, the Ethereum naming service. I also like unstoppable domains. I can't say which one is the winner. I think they're both great. So I think I like the concept. I like the idea, as opposed to having this centralized naming services where you have to buy a domain and renew it every year. It's very annoying. I have so many domains I have to renew every single year, and it can be a bit annoying. But in this time, I can just buy a domain service once, and I don't have to renew it. And also, when I want to receive Bitcoin, I don't have to have this long address. As you can see, all I just need to do is have a .eth or .bitcoin, and I can give that to anyone, and they can send me Bitcoin, as opposed to memorizing this long address, which is very sexy. So that is all I have. Until next time, my wish for you is that you learn more about blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, because crypto and blockchain is changing and will change the world. And those who get involved early, in my humble opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that's you, let's go change the world.
If you would like to create more awareness for your brand or content, or you would like to earn additional income, register now on www.CLIQKI.com. The more you share, the more you earn. CLIQKI.